So what you're going to have for this project is your one 12 by 12 page from a stack. You can't use this by itself unless you're going to do it on a scrapbook page. You can't cut it up in little pieces, so making this gift bag is the perfect thing to use these 12 by 12 single sheets. You're going to have, for the back, you're going to have a matching or complementary sheet for the back. That one's going to be scored so the bottom can close. You're going to have the bottom 2 hinges. Those are going to go here to attach the sides. And you're going to have 2 sides. This is already scored, and if you'll notice, I put some cellophane tape, some scotch tape on the pieces that I want to reinforce. If you're going to put something a little bit heavier in these paper bags, then you're going to want to do that. You want to reinforce those pieces. And you'll also notice that I've already put on 1-inch double-sided tape. I get this tape from Amazon. It's called Sukwang. Sukwang. Okay, let's put it together. First thing you want to do is just line these up to the score lines. So this is the bottom. Here is the other hinge. I'm going to put on there. Oops, took the wrong one off. Line it up like we did with the other ones. Here's the score lines. You just want to line up these hinges right in those score lines. Okay. Next thing you want to do is your sides. Yeah, shouldn't have taken off that tape yet because we got to put it on the hinge first. And these are going to go on the inside. So the texture, this is textured cardstock that I used. So textured on the outside, smooth on the inside. That's just my preference. And again, we're just going to line it up right with those score lines and the edge of the paper. Get it to the other side. I'm going to burnish that down so really well. Now, God, I'm going to put some of this Stay back on there because I don't want it sticking to anything. Okay, feel better about that. Now, it doesn't matter at this point which is front or back. So I am going to do the front of the bag now. And we're going to do the very same thing by matching up to the score lines. Sorry, just matching up by the edge of the paper, basically. It's all eyeballing at this point. little bit better, but I am no professional. Turn it over. Thought I had it upside down. Now we're gonna do the back. Remember, the bottom of the bag has that piece that is, I think that's 3 inches from the bottom, that is scored so that the bag can fold flat. So make sure you've got that bottom, and also be aware if you've got directional paper. And varnish that down. Now this is going to be a part that is going to be a little cumbersome. I'm not going to say tricky or difficult, just a little cumbersome, because you're going to want to put these pieces together along that edge there. So it's sticky, and I'm sorry if I'm out of frame. So basically, I'm going to put that on the inside, and then you want to get that edge correct and just tap that right at the top, and then just go in. There. See? This is the part that's a little annoying. If you can figure out a better way to do it, so be it. Yeah, I got a little crazy there. Here and burnish it down. I didn't get it perfect, but again, it is a little cumbersome. The more you make, the better you'll get at it. See, a little bit of an overlap there, probably a little sticky from the tape, but it's still gonna work. See, it's coming together. We're gonna do this one. This second side is a little easier because it's already together and standing. So just grab that top, tack that on there, and then get in here and burnish this one as well. Okay, there is your bag. I can't get far enough away from it, but look at how big that is. That is huge. So now the next thing you can do is you can make up your own mind about how you want to do the handles. But all I would do at this point is squeeze that together and then take a hole punch and punch 2 holes at whatever length you want through both sides. Take some ribbon, knot it, put it through, and you've got yourself a beautiful, huge gift bag.